Hello tubers, good day. Well, it's easy to see, this is a 1955 DAF and it's an old army truck. I'll walk back a bit, then I'll show you what it is. Look, it's a huge army truck and they made a sort of camper van out of it. Look, they use some sheet metal to cover the bed. See? Well, it's a solid one. Look, huge shock absorbers. Well, just a bit of rust, but this is very thick steel. Oh, let's see. Oh, very ingenious. But it's rusted. Oh, oh, oh. I'll show you. Oh, oh. Chocolate chips. Yep. Chocolate chips, alright. But for 55 years old, 56, I'm sorry, it's the 2nd of January, so it's 56 years old. Look, it's a biggie, but it hasn't moved for a long time. Look, there's grass growing underneath. But this is solid steel, but this is chocolate chips. Big diesel. Ooh, high exhaust. Off-road exhaust pipe. Hallo. Hallo. Nee, dat bestaat niet. Look, it's a biggie. Oh. And we got another Dutch product here. It's another DAF. Well, it's a bit younger. It's from the 70s. Look. Nice DAF Variomatic. Oh. Don't see any rust. Somebody's working on it, or has been working on it. Yep. A lot of coating. It's a shame it's a bit wet inside, but yep. 66 DL, even with a trailer hitch. What more do you want? So, nice shiny DAF or the big rusty DAF. Make your choice. Well tubers, from this quiet street, it's Sunday, 2nd of January. Be seeing you. Bye bye.